Welcome back to our channel. Today we have something special for all those looking for a safe and smart investment. We're going to explore an amazing investment plan from Life Insurance Corporation of India, the LIC Nivesh Plus Plan 2025. If you're someone who wants higher returns, life coverage and tax benefits, then this video is for you. Stay with me till the end as I break down everything about this plan in simple terms. Let's get started. So, what exactly is the LIC Nivesh Plus plan? It is a single premium unit-linked insurance plan offered by LIC. This means you pay the premium just once and enjoy both investment growth and life coverage. The highlight of this plan is that it allows your premium to be invested in different fund options, giving you the benefit of market-linked returns while ensuring financial security for your family. This plan offers 4 types of investment fund options based on convenience and risk tolerance: bond fund, low risk; secured fund, medium risk; balanced fund, moderate risk; growth fund, high risk, high return potential. Each option allows policyholders to invest according to their risk appetite and financial goals. Age and premium details: minimum entry age 90 days, maximum entry age 70 years, minimum maturity age 18 years, maximum maturity age 85 years, minimum premium amount 1,25,000 rupees, maximum premium amount no limit. You can invest as much as you want. Premium paying mode, single premium. Now let's talk about the amazing benefits this plan offers. Single premium payment, just pay once and you're covered for years. Market-linked growth, your money is invested in funds, which means higher potential returns. Life cover provides financial security for your family. Choice of investment options: choose between funds with different risk levels as per your preference. Death benefits: if the policyholder passes away, the nominee will receive the death benefit. If a partial withdrawal was made within 2 years before the policyholder's death, that amount will be deducted from the sum assured. Rider benefits: after completing 5 years in this plan, policyholders can avail customer rider benefits. LIC offers linked plan accidental death benefit, which provides enhanced protection in case of an accident. Guaranteed additions: a fixed percentage of the single premium will be added to the policy unit fund at specific intervals. The percentage increases over time. After 6 years, 3%; after 10 years, 4%; after 15 years, 5%; after 20 years, 6%; after 25 years, 7%. Tax benefits: enjoy tax exemptions under Section 80C and 1010D of the Income Tax Act. Partial withdrawal: need emergency funds? You can make partial withdrawals after 5 years. Maturity benefit: get the fund value on policy maturity. Settlement options: in case of the policyholder's death, the nominee will receive the death benefit amount as per the chosen settlement option. Let's understand with an example. Suppose you invest 2 lakh rupees in LIC Nivesh Plus today. After 20 years, your investment will grow to 13,45,499 rupees or even more. Plus, your family will receive life cover, ensuring financial security in case of any uncertainty. Don't wait, invest today and secure a brighter, worry-free future. So, how can you apply for this fantastic plan? It's simple. You can contact us at this number and our expert team member will guide you based on your specific needs. So, that was everything about LIC Nivesh Plus Plan 2025. If you're looking for a safe single premium investment with life cover and market-linked returns, this plan is for you. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to our channel for more financial tips. Also, comment below if you have any questions. I'll be happy to help. Thank you for watching and see you in the next video. Stay financially smart, stay secure.